What's up, everybody? Welcome for me, I guess. Welcome back for vlogging. I know it's been a few months since my last vlog, but yeah, just a quick update for you guys. I'm on my last term na of first year, and next week will be my midterms examination, and that only means one thing, no? This week will be all studying. If I do have an errand, I'll do it. But if kaya ko siyang like isingit yung pagbabasa ko. This will be a week vlog, no, until after my midterms, no. Hopefully makapasa ako. Oh my god, no. And I study hapon. So yeah, I'm now doing my notes for analytical chemistry lesson 1. Hindi ko kasi siya natapos, so tinatapos ko siya ngayon. And let's get into studying. I'm currently done with my analytical chemistry notes. Took so damn long. After this, I'll probably eat. So I haven't eaten dinner yet. So yeah, I need carbs. So kain muna ako, guys. So hi everyone. It's currently 7:11 and it's Wednesday right now. Practice pa ako ng RETDEM. We have 2 RETDEMs later sa major subject namin. It's hand washing, donning, and doffing ng PPE. And yung part 2 is yung capillary puncture. So, papag-practicean ko to. Papracticean ko sa lola. Kasi, we never done this actually, this part 2. Kasi, natatapat palagi sa suspension, yung holiday, yung meeting namin dun sa lab. So, sobrang nakakakalba kasi talagang hindi pa namin nagagawa. So, and 10 minutes lang yung nakalaan. Ready for you to execute that certain procedure. Tapos, mapapracticean na kita.
Okay na. Ilang tulok yan.
Isa lang yun. So, ang gagawin natin sa kanya is yung capillary puncture. I have here my wet and dry. Of course, needed to be safe. Watch me practice on my mom. Napag-practicean ko na siya ng venipuncture last year. Pero never done this. Kasi mas masakit to kaysa doon. And I haven't told her yet. successfully managed to capillary puncture to my grandmother. Yes! Guys, I'll go wash myself na and then eat, then go to school. So probably later, hindi ako masyadong makakapag-video sa laboratory kasi all of my classes today are laboratory classes. So in our department kasi, it is strictly forbidden to take videos then post it somewhere. So siguro mga clips lang ng room namin siguro. Yeah, so I'll get ready na muna guys. So
So guys, babagsak na ako dito.
grabe! Meron kaming
At least diba ang cute ng
ng Band-Aid. Sana all tapos na. Second pa naman. Dito kayo, dali. Watch us, guys. Masakit?
Sayang?
Oo, kasi first time ko. Kaya nagulat ako. Doon na yun, kumikot.
Ganun talaga yun. Kahit yung lola ko, ganun. Yung ginawa ko sa kanya kanina kumagi.
Yung gusto ko sa'yo, masakit na.
Hindi mo na na-wipe?
Ay, hindi ko na-wipe.
Dati ang gamit ko, hiningi ko na natin.
Oo. Ganun din kami, di ba? Kasi
Konsent na ako, ang palitan.
okay lang yun.
Sino pa Mark? Humingi lang din ako. Pero hindi ko nagamit ko, ma'am. Ha? Hindi ko nagamit.
Capillary puncture done, guys.
Ay, paano ko eh? Oo.
Oh my God. Tapos na wala na kami pressure. Nag-aaral ko sa bahay kasi. Yan, laro ba kayo?
Uy, hindi na ako naglalaro. Nagsirit ko nga ako.
Kaya ito, hindi na ako. Kaya mo, stress na siya.
Ganito kapag bagsak saan? Bagsak sa quiz, bagsak din sa practicals.
Ja! 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 Ano, masakit?
Hindi.
Tapos ka na, ano?
Masakit yan, nilagyan ko na ng alcohol.
Gogo!
Kasi ako yung pangalawa magtutusok, so kailangan ko mag-sanitize.
So, we just finished capillary puncture our retinals today. Namamblema kami kasi ang baba namin sa quiz. Hindi naman siya masakit. Then, uwi na kami. Last laboratory class. So, guys, ang ingay. So, the reason why I was ugly crying here is because of my ate. She's pressuring me to attend the birthday party after my midterms, which I clearly told her that I am tired and hindi siya nakikinig. So, ayan, umiyak si ate mo, girl. And of course, stress na din sa studies. I just finished my first class. I don't have the next class, which is at 1 to 3. But I do have 3 to 5. Anakem yun, like, ayun na nga, mag-kiss ako. Ayun yung kiss namin, nakapost na. Watch me take my quiz, guys. 30 points. I haven't even reviewed. I don't even know. Disaster risk. what's up everybody? I just finished my last class today, which is Anake lecture. My god, I just listened to my prof halfway lang nung lesson kasi sabi ko, wala nang napasok sa utak ko kasi nasabi ko, matcha, tapos, you know, online. Ngayon lang ako kakain for my first meal of the day. And then, back to study again. So, hi everyone. It's currently 7:20 ng gabi. And right now, I'm doing my chances for capillary puncture for PMLS 2. Because meron kaming quiz tomorrow, so kailangan ko siya ulit aralin. So, yeah. Aral ako. I'm still finishing it up. Ayan, ito yung book namin. Oh, yeah. Watch me cram my chances everywhere. So, hello everybody. I just finished making my chances for capillary puncture. It's currently 8:55 p.m. And ayoko na. Tama na tong pag-aaral nito. Dahil nahihilo na ako. I can't process more information right now. Kakain muna ako and then magsisleep na. Sobrang nahihilo ako. Then tomorrow, study ulit before I go to school at 4. Kasi may quiz kami tomorrow for capillary puncture sa lab. And just like I said earlier, I have 2 more lessons to make up to sa laboratory since yung laboratory namin na yun is natapatan ng holiday and then Holy Week the next week. So, sabi namin hahabulin. Anyways, hopefully, makapasa ako sa quiz ko. And yeah. Good night guys and see you tomorrow. Mukha ka na problema, eh. Mukha ka na problema. Ako ang isang chemist na maganda. Yes! Thank you so much, Yana. Ba't ganyan kasi yung paulan? Pa-charge na lang ako. Lab made lang.
Oo, yung lab made.
Matagal ka. Pag Hi guys, I just finished my Sunday Mass at our local church. Now I'm back to studying again. Humingi lang ako ng blessing kay Father na sana makapasa ako tomorrow, this week rather, this midterms exam. Let's get into studying again. Good morning everyone. 9:45. So today is our first day of examination. Second day will be on Wednesday, minor subjects only. And then third will be the Friday. It will be Anakin Lab. Hopefully makapasa ako. Oh my God. I'm kinakabahan kasi it's important to me to get a higher grade. Kasi I need to maintain my grades. So currently I'm studying again before I go get ready. So yeah, see you guys later.
Ano? Ayoko na. Pag-igalili ko sa pa, ipapaputol ko talaga. Malala nyo nakakahawa. Hindi malala lang sabi niya. May letter B daw sa
Nagpa-fight sila sa answers.
Letter B tayo. Tatalo na.
Set. Tingin.
Gawa na ako.
Ate Pao, ilan ka? Okay na sa'yo yun?
Oo. May ano naman ako, 48 sa practical.
Yes! Buti na lang may practicals.
Akala ko ito mahabang.
It's